there's a limit on things you can find on YouTube. So hopefully this YouTube video will help somebody. Be advised, I'm not a professional. I am an amateur. I'm just experimenting on my own hair, trying to figure things out, get stuff the way that I want it. Here we go, traders. Okay, so I'm back, and that concoction I made did not lighten my hair as much as I expected it to do. So I'm going to bleach it. I'm going to bleach it. So I got my little lip powder. I'm going to use my number 20 developer. I still got a little bit of 20 left. And I'm gonna try to see what's gonna happen. I don't know if it's gonna bleach it and strip the color off, or if it's gonna lighten it. And my hope is that it lightens the color and not to bleach the color. I want to lighten my color, not take the color off. So we're gonna see what happens. I'm just gonna add it with my hands, do just like I did the other one. Go on quicker. I don't want to leave it on too long because I don't know how long it's gonna take this stuff to start. I had my daughter help me pull my hair through the cap. It was going a lot faster with her helping versus me doing it on my own. And make sure you take all the precautions necessary, read all your instructions, follow the rules and the measurements, and do everything by the book. And I've been pretty careful with not, over processing my hair. Now, I've tried to be careful, not giving myself a day or two break in between bleaching and all that good stuff. Moment of truth. You did what I expected to do. Yay! I figured it out. But gotta get it rinsed out. Make sure to stop the process. Here we go. Got it for my birthday. 14 for the birthday cake. One time for the birthday cake. Ta-da! Here it is. It did what I expected. It brightened or bleached the color, but I don't like the pattern. I do not like this pattern. It probably wouldn't look bad, because see, if it was regular bleach on black hair, then it would be cuter. But I'm just gonna go through this with some bleach right quick and get the rest of this kind of sort of even. I only let it stay on about maybe 15 minutes, and this is my result. So here we go, let me try it again. Light coating on the outside, but I don't want the whole thing bleached. You kind of give me the ombre effect. So we know if you have a color that's darker than what you want, and I'm not telling you to go do this, but if you have a color that's darker than what you want and you want it to be lighter, and you have bleached hair already underneath the color that you put on that turned out darker than you expected, go back with some bleach and put it on your hair, and it'll lighten that color up. But be advised, I bleached my hair in May, so it's now July. Like the beginning of July the 4th actually. So, I had a whole lot of time to contemplate what I was going to do. I had already knew I wanted to color it, but I didn't know when to color it because I had an event to go to, and I didn't want to go to it with my hair looking crazy. So I just waited until after the event, and for my birthday due, I'm ready for my birthday due. Going at it again though. I'll be right back. So I'm going back with the rest of this bleach that I had left over. I'm just going to pretty much coat the outside of my hair, pretty much the tips. And my hair is a little damp, so I don't know how effective this is going to be. And I'm going to go back again and put the cap back on, because I don't want this all the way down to the root. I just want it just the outside, as much as this will penetrate with this basic rub on that I'm doing. And of course it's over this dark purple color that I have on my hair. I didn't really like that pattern. It kind of looked like leopard print or something. That's not what I expected. Well, I mean, I knew what to expect because I put it to the cap, but that's not what I want, the look that I want. So I'm done with this. That's all that I got. Pull it out a little. I might have to leave it on a little longer because my hair is wet, like damp. I should have towel dried it a little more, but I just want to go on and do this and get it over with. I don't want my hair to get over processed with this bleach, especially since I let that sit on for 15 minutes. I'm getting all of it out of here. I did not add any more. I used about 2 ounces of the developer and half of a pack of the bleach. I did not use all of it because I wasn't planning on like bleaching my whole head like I normally do. I didn't do it like I usually do, using a whole pack of bleach and the correct measurement of developer. I'm just then I'm gonna put my cap back on and sit for maybe 10 minutes. And remember, y'all, if you want to find some big caps when you got these big afros, the blue caps are bigger, if I'm not mistaken, than the other white caps, although they do have different size caps. So you got to look at what you're buying. Make sure you know it's a bigger size for your afros. Be back. Okay, traders, here's the final look. I just have my conditioner on there. I washed it out really good. Probably washed it maybe 2 or 3 times. I did my neutralizing shampoo. I use my Cantu shampoo. I use my Cantu conditioner, and I use my leave-in conditioner. Well, no, it's not leave-in. My color treated conditioner, protein treatment, and which I'm going to leave in my hair so my hair can continue to be moisturized and treated because of all the bleaching and stuff that I do to it. So this is not the perfect purple. I will let you see what this looks like after I've styled it. Okay, traders, after a 3rd pass of the bleach and developer, this is what I got. And I just mixed it and rubbed it on. So the one that I did yesterday, it was okay. It was lighter, but I used a 20 developer. Today I used a 30 developer, and it bleached it. It did, but it looked dull and dry. It's not, I don't like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this Kiss color, and hopefully that'll kind of get it like just right. And it's like a light purplish color. It's called Orchid. So I'm gonna try that, and if that don't work, I quit. I quit again and again after that. Well, here we go with the Kiss color. And it smells good. The instructions say leave it on for 15 minutes. So I'm gonna give it 15 minimum to see what it looks like, and then I'm gonna determine whether or not I'm gonna leave it on for a little longer. Comb through, make sure that it gets patted all over.